In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the rear window wiper in your Ford Bronco Sport. Now this is a little tiny rear window wiper. It's often forgot about, but it should be replaced every year. Now if you go to one of those quickie oil change places, they might change it for you for around $15 to $20. But I'm going to show you in this video step by step how you can replace it at your home and save yourself some time and money. Let's go ahead, get this changed out, and get this vehicle back on the road. Here's a close-up view of the wiper. You can kind of see how it attaches. It's basically you just push on and pull off, and it's kind of a spring-loaded piece right there. I just want to show you what it looks like up close. And here's that little rear window wiper that we're going to be changing, and the blade is right there on the inside of that arm. You can just lift the arm out a little bit. Don't go too far. It's only going to go about 30 degrees. And then you can just get your fingers behind here on this side of the wiper, and then on this side you're going to push. This is basically just kind of a push to connect, so we just need to push it off. And you don't want to just pull one side or pull this side. You want to get your finger as close to the middle as possible on both sides and then push. Alright, I've got this kind of pulled back with a bungee cord. You can see that round pin right there. That is what's going to attach to your wiper arm. Now before we pop this on, spray a little bit of WD-40 or some kind of spray lubricant right inside here. And that's going to help it pop into place. And then it doesn't matter which way you put this on. If you just kind of look down from the top, inside here you'll see that little pin. You want to line the pin up with this. And then we're just going to squeeze it together and it will snap into place. You can almost kind of feel it get in a groove. You can tell it's lined up because I can't move it left to right or up and down. And all we're going to do is just squeeze. And then pull off the protector. And that's it, guys. The new rear wiper is on and this vehicle is good to go. Change it again next year depending on where you live. If you live in the north where there's lots of snow, you're going to have to change it every year. If you live in the south where it's nice and sunny, you can probably go every 2 to 3 years. Hope this video helps you out. I'll put links in the description down below how to buy these wipers off Amazon. Have them show up at your doorstep in 1 to 2 days. Thanks for watching.